Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have an incredibly tricked out 2011 Suzuki Hayabusa 1300. This bike has just under 13,000 miles on it and is in incredible condition. So let's take our walk around this custom and show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Excuse me. They've done an awesome job of tricking this thing out. Comes with custom front rims, or custom rims front and rear. Tires are in excellent condition. Tinted windscreen. A ton of chrome accessories, as well as powder coated. And blacked out highlights. Tank pad. Body light kit. A Brox exhaust, a 300mm rear tire kit with an extended swing arm, passenger seat cowl only, smoked lens covers, this Busa's been flipped out. You can see what I mean by just an incredibly gorgeous machine. Got an HID headlight too. $12,799 is what's on it. There you go. Set the camera down here. This 2011 Busa will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Busa from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. I know you can do it. So, thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.